All right, we're gonna just see if we can't see what the expansion is going on these. All right, let's go see what we got. Smells like a rain shower just went through. All right, here we go. We totally obliterated the first two jugs. In the other one, we are out. A solid. I mean, we got some big chunks left. So we got it. Oh, we got it. That is a mean looking bullet. Started to get worried about it when it blew up. When I was thinking it was just vaporized, but this is, we'll take that back to the table. We'll definitely take a look at that. That is, wow. Alright, so just to review, though, we got shards in the first one. Wouldn't have mattered if I numbered the jugs because they blew the tops off. Pop top again. But yeah, this is the first two jugs. We are in the third jug, out. It just snugged up against and fell down in the crack. But yeah, I am kind of digging this because I'll explain why when I get back. But it's in a nutshell, it's about blowing a barn door on the backside of a deer, and this looks like it's not going to do it. All right, here we go. These are my loads. NOSLER, the Ballistic Silvertips. Did a water expansion with the 57 grain. See how it was doing. Pretty much that's gonna be what I'm gonna go with hunting, and that is what we got right there. Punch straight through, as you see. That was showing, you know, it blew up the first two jugs, but it didn't blow the second one up. But it did pass through it and hit up on the jeans. Is what we went from. Right there. Not too bad. Went, and that was in the jugs. And that's what I'm sitting here thinking that's gonna work out, because that's gonna keep that bullet from blowing barn doors out the other side of a deer. You know, not damaging the meat, or minimal. That's what I'm hoping. But so far, I mean, that's, you gotta do the penetration test on it to make sure. But I mean, going through the three jugs, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be able to. I have a 300 grain bullet. The big chunk is still 215.6. We throw the little fragments that came off of it. 60, 59.2. Woohoo! We throw that in there with it. We still got 275, 274. That is pretty good right there. That bullet's, you know, going in and doing the deal on the inside and leaving the meat alone, the way it's looking like. I mean, I'm digging it right there. The group that I got, I mean, that sold me. After seeing that on that load, you know, the group and stuff, and then seeing this, I was like, yeah, that'll definitely. We got 7.6, 7.6, staying pretty darn good. 0.48 out of 0.9, so halfway roughly. I mean, in a nutshell, that's the 57. I think I might have said 55 a while ago. I apologize, but the 57, that's what I'm gonna stick with on these. On that, yeah, just make sure you do your own thing, as everybody else is. Do your research. Don't go off of my data, whatever, just because you want to be safe. And there you go. And there you are. I mean, that is the first time I shot a ballistic tips out of the 45-70, and that is impressive. Blood blister. That's from the damn weed whacker.